Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox ID codes. These unique numerical identifiers are essential for custom content like audio, images, or meshes within your experiences. We will guide you through the process of creating and uploading your own assets to Roblox, then show you how to easily retrieve their corresponding ID codes. Understanding this process opens up a world of creative possibilities for your games and projects. Before getting an ID, you need a custom asset ready for upload. This could be a sound file, a decal, or even a custom mesh part for your game. Ensure your asset meets Roblox's community standards and technical specifications, such as image dimensions of 512 by 512 pixels or audio files under 7 minutes long. Creating high-quality, original content is the first important step. Once your asset is prepared, navigate to the Creator Hub on the Roblox website. From there, locate the Creations tab and select the type of asset you wish to upload, like a decal or audio. Click the Upload button, choose your file, and provide a clear, descriptive name. Roblox will then review your submission, typically within a few minutes, to ensure it complies with all platform guidelines. After successful moderation, your asset will appear in your Creations inventory within the Creator Hub. Click on its name or thumbnail to view its dedicated page. The unique Roblox ID code for your asset will be prominently displayed in the URL bar of your browser, usually as a string of 9 to 10 numbers. Copy this numerical sequence directly from the address bar to easily use your custom content in scripts or game objects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.